Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Edween, and today I will be doing a tutorial of how I do my hair mask. My first ingredient that we're going to use is aloe vera. What I'm doing here is scraping the juice off of the gel, which is pointless because I'm going to end up cutting the gel off of the leaf anyways. And once I'm done cutting it, I'm going to blend it. Aloe vera is really good for your hair, and what it does, it repairs dead skin cells on your scalp. It also is a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching in the scalp, reduces dandruff, and it soothes your hair. So next, you are going to add avocado. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fatty acid that nourish and strengthens your hair follicles and provides moisture to your hair. The vitamin E that's in the avocado is absorbed in your scalp and your hair shaft, which stimulates hair growth and protects your hair from damage and dryness. Alright, so now we're going to add 1 egg. And eggs have a lot of vitamin A, vitamin E, and biotin, believe it or not. And what it does, it keeps the hair thick and healthy, and it replenishes moisture and leaves the strand look sleek and shiny. Alright, next we're going to add mayo. And mayo is just the same thing as eggs. It strengthens and keeps the hair shiny. It's high on proteins due to the eggs that is in the mayo. Alright, so now we're going to add 2 scoops of honey. And what the honey do to your hair is that it moisturizes your hair and soothes the hair follicle, which adds shine to dull and dry hair. So this is my special oil that I created. It contains over 5 or 8 different oils, including essential oils. Alright, so yes, I am also adding shea butter. The reason why I add shea butter is because when I do my hair mask, it's usually watery, and so when I add the shea butter and I put it in the fridge, it hardens, which is perfect, so I don't have to leak on my neck. It just sits right there and it seals in all the moisture that I need. Alright, so after you're done blending it, we are going to put in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. And this is how it looks like afterwards. It's still kind of loose, but it's thick enough for me. If you want it to be thicker, what you can do is melt the shea butter and then pour it in there, or add more shea butter in it to make it more thick and blend it in more, which will allow it to be a little bit more thicker. Alright, so this is the final touch. I end up making 3 bottles. I usually use one for my whole head and I leave the remaining in the freezer. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.